FactBump presents Top 8 Secret Bitcoin Facts You Should Know. Bitcoin Facts 2018. If you want to know what is Bitcoin, then in one word we can say it is a mystery money of internet created by a mystery man. At a glance, Bitcoin may sound confusing. However, in this video we will truly discuss what is Bitcoin, how does it work, and also what is the future of Bitcoin. So watch this video till the end. Number 8. The creator of Bitcoin still a mystery figure. Satoshi Nakamoto is a creator of Bitcoin, but identity of Satoshi is still a mystery figure. Some tech-savvy suggest Samsung, Toshiba, Nakamichi and Motorola created Bitcoin together. Satoshi came from Samsung and Toshiba. Nakamoto is come from Nakamichi and Motorola. Comment below what do you think about this suggestion. Number 7. There is exactly 21 million Bitcoins. You might think just because it is an internet money, so you can mine as much as you can. But no, there is a finite number of Bitcoin exist, and that is exactly 21 million. Number 6. The first Bitcoin purchase was for pizza. This cryptocurrency launched the year of 2009 and it was useless until 22nd May 2010. Where 2 pizzas were exchanged for 10,000 Bitcoin. At that time, 10,000 Bitcoin means $41. And now, 10,000 Bitcoin means $25.8 million. So instead of buying pizza, you might think of buying the pizza company. So, what is your choice? Number 5. No one single entity cannot control this currency. Confusing? Bitcoin controlled by everyone, because it is a software program and Bitcoin miners solve complex math problem and earn their certain revenue. Number 4. Bitcoin network. Bitcoin network is more powerful than 700 supercomputers put together, and that's why one Bitcoin transaction consumes 3,994 times more energy than a credit card transaction. Number 3. Bitcoin provoking criminal activities. Yes, several news outlets have asserted that popularity of Bitcoin attracting criminals to purchase illegal goods, so it can be a real risk for the rest of the world. Number 2. Still now, Bitcoin is not legal for every country. This cryptocurrency is illegal such countries like Saudi Arabia, Bolivia, Kyrgyzstan, Ecuador, Morocco, Nepal, Algeria, India, Bangladesh and Thailand. Although some countries gradually accept it like Japan, Belgium, Finland, Switzerland and so on. Japanese yen accounts more than 50% of Bitcoin trading market. Number 1. Bitcoin ATM. There are two biggest Bitcoin ATM producers. One, Genesis Coin with 36.01% market share, and the second, General Bytes with 27.64% market share. Also, it is assuming by January 2019 there would be more than 7,000 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide, but currently North America leading with 80% of all Bitcoin ATM. But remember, Bitcoin ATM is not a traditional ATM machine. More likely, it is connected with internet that allows a person to exchange Bitcoin and cash. And here, how can you spend the Bitcoin? Nowadays, big companies like Expedia, Dish Network, Microsoft, even Virgin Galactic accept payment by Bitcoin. So don't worry. And now, here we talk about the future of Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin future is very bright. Experts saying just because Bitcoin has a finite number, so there is a good chance of increasing Bitcoin's value in the future. So if you are the owner of Bitcoin, please, we strongly suggest hold them to sell it in future. So please put your thought in the comment box. What do you think about Bitcoin? And if you find our video informative, please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. But before you go, please do not forget to subscribe our channel to get update with interesting fact notification daily.